Okay, so I'm going to show you real quickly how you make a corner post using some of the accessory pieces. So this is the same material you would use to make spacers, so you can also make custom size spacers, but it just slides it into the channel on the top of the post with a little hand coordination. And you would just cut this to height with the post. So that gives you an end post when you need them. And if you needed a corner post, again, you would cut this to height, but we're just going to demonstrate. You would place 3 screws or 4 screws in this. Once you've done that, the bottom rail would just slide right in. And again, you just attach it with a screw right at the base of it, right here. And for horizontal installations where you still are concerned about vibration, the channel just slides right into it and sits on top of the rail there. For the semi-privacy where you have the picket style versus the open rail, that would just slide in place of that rail.